show you how you take your rough copy and you put it in your Schoology document that I created for you, the one titled 7th grade Geography Research Essay, and then eventually you'll submit it. So right now it's set up the correct way. It's Arial, 12-point font, and it should be double spaced. When I copy and paste, if it is not double spaced, I'll show you how to change. I will also show you how you put your sources in this section, which is called the bibliography. So here is some of my work. Just like you guys probably have your own rough work. I've got my title here. I've got my introduction paragraph. I've got one body paragraph. You would have two more because you guys would have 3 Melcons. I've just got one example here. I've got my conclusion, and then I've got my sources. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy and paste the whole essay, and I'm going to put it in here. It says start introduction paragraph here. I'm just going to go right over top. I'm going to paste it here, and it looks the same, right? That's not what I want eventually, but that's good enough for now. Title, essay question here. So I need to go back. What is my essay question? What started World War II? I'm going to copy and paste it. So here it is. What started World War II? Oh, that looks kind of funny. And as it's a title, I'm going to put it in the center. I'm going to make it bold. I'm going to make it underlined so it's clear what started World War II. I'm going to change it actually to the way World War II is normally written. And I don't know why this is here, but I'm going to delete it. So I've got my introduction, body, and conclusion. It is not double spaced. When I copy and pasted it, it is no longer double spaced. It is also changed to 11-point font. It needs to be 12. So what do? I'm going to hit Command A on my computer, which will highlight everything. And I go to Format, Line Spacing, Double Spaced. Next, I will go to Arial font is already correct. I need to change it to 12-point font or 12-point size. There it is. And so far, so good. I've got my thesis highlighted here. You should have yours highlighted too, please. That will make it easy for me to know what your thesis is, and it will make it easy for me to understand and grade your paper. So the last part here, my bibliography. So it got shoved way down here. It's on like the bottom of the second page. That is not where it should be. Bibliography usually is its own page. So let's say your essay, mine is only 1 page because it's a shortened version. But let's say your essay is 2 pages. And on the second page, your essay ends about here, right here, like, 1/3 into the second paper or the third paper. What you would do is you want your bibliography to be a page all on its own. So I would just hit enter, enter, enter until it's right at the top, just like a title of a new page. Okay? So I don't need to do that because I don't have anything on my second page, so I'm going to bring it back. But it should be just like the title of your essay. It should be the top of the page, just like this. And now I need my sources. So back here on my rough copy, here they are. The Second World War, A Complete History by McManus Johnson. So just after number 1, I'm going to put this here, copy and paste, go back at the other one. Lonely Planet History of Germany. You guys did Lonely Planet History of Taiwan. Mine is History of Germany. Put it here, copy and paste. And once again, you can see the size has changed. So what do? Highlight it all. 12-point font, 12-point size. And there it is. So when you guys have your paper finished with your 5 paragraphs, introduction, 1, 2, 3 body paragraphs, your conclusion, you should add your sources in the bibliography section. They should be in alphabetical order, which mine is not. I'm going to change that right now. T comes after L, so let's cut that one. Put it here. Paste. There you go. So now we got alphabetical order. And once that is all finished, on your document in Schoology, you'll go up to the right-hand corner. It will say Submit. and you will submit. That is all, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to email me on Saturday. I will try to respond as soon as I can. And of course, in class, you can raise your hand or talk to your neighbors. Thank you and good luck.